Attention crew, prepare for battle. Ahead 15 knots. Heading right, 30 degrees. Warning, enemy helicopter detected. Our location has been revealed. Vessel is under attack. Enemy contact on the radar. We're on fire after explosion. Initiate damage control. Direct hit. Enemy helicopter is down. Preparing for torpedo launch. Warning, enemy helicopter detected. Battle stations, this is not a drill. Direct hit. Enemy helicopter is down. Missile away, 8 seconds to impact. Direct hit. Enemy helicopter is down. Con, battle stations. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Taking course, full speed ahead. Initiating missile strike. Missiles prepared for launch. Right, full rudder. Initiating missile strike. The enemy ship has been sunk. Let's move on. Enemy target locked. Right rudder. The enemy ship has been sunk. Let's move on. Repeated detonation on enemy ship. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Missile on radar. Anti-aircraft defense prepare. Enemy target locked. Missile on the radar. Enemy missile intercepted. Hull breached. Hull hit. Damage in section 3. Starboard turn. Lock and load. Missiles ready. We're under enemy attack. Hits and damage reported. Critical hit. Reporting ammo detonation. Target destroyed. Shoot at my command. Turret locked and loaded. Awaiting orders. Attention, we have been noticed. Critical hit. Reporting ammo detonation.